Hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Grand rising, grand living. Welcome back to my laboratory where the chemistry happens, the sparks happens, the chemistry take place. Oh my goodness, you can feel the chemistry from all of this live food. And I just gotta touch this, you guys. I want to put some gloves on, but nobody's gonna drink this juice but me. Nobody here is going to drink this juice but me, I promise you. So yes, so I am so glad that you're here. And today we are making a carrot orange glow juice. So what I have is 5 pounds of carrots, 2 oranges, 1 grapefruit, and of course, my jalapeno pepper, and 6 inches of ginger. So yes. Let me tell you something. Welcome to everybody today. Welcome again. I'm excited to be here to be in your home, to be in your life, to share this information. You know, I'm going to say this, guys. It's never too late to make a difference in your health. If you are still living, you're still breathing, it's never too late to make a difference in your health. Come on and let's do this thing. Let's do this thing together. Let's work it out together. Absolutely. Oh my goodness. And we're going to get this started. Oh my goodness. We got the carrots. Y'all, the carrots are so powerful. They support eye health. The carrot supports your immune system. It promotes healthy digestion. It promotes healthy skin. And it's good, and it supports your heart health. Yes, it does. Oh my goodness. And we've talked about the orange and the grapefruit the day before, but we're going to tell you again to those new people who are tuning in today. Yes, and yes, the orange supports your immune function. It promotes glowing skin. Oh my goodness. Orange regulates your blood pressure, and it aids in healthy digestion. And orange is a good heart health fruit. Yes, good heart health fruit. And it's good hydration. It's full of water. Absolutely. Y'all, oh my goodness. We're gonna get this party started. Yes, we are. Oh my goodness. Y'all see these carrots? Aren't they pretty? Aren't they pretty? Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I am so excited about this juice. I think it's been a minute since I did this juice, probably winter of 2025. Absolutely. And we are bringing it back. Absolutely, you guys. Oh my goodness. I am so excited about this juice. I am really ready to taste this juice already. Yes, I am. Oh my goodness. Your grapefruit aids in weight management. It's good for heart health. It's good for skin health. You all. And grapefruit sometimes can interact with your medication. So those of you who are on medication, please consult with your primary care physician to make sure that you can use grapefruit. And if you can't use grapefruit, just leave it out altogether. Just leave it out altogether. I'm just adding it in with it today. But originally, it was just carrot and orange. It was a carrot and orange glow. That's what it was originally. So you all, this thing is throwing little hugs at me. So look, and we got the ginger. Ginger support heart health. Ginger helps boost your immunity, and it also helps reduce inflammation. Yes, it does. Look at that. Look at that. I can't wait to taste that. Yes. Again, welcome to all of my subscribers. I really appreciate you. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the newcomers. Yes. Welcome to the newcomers. If you like the live over here, go ahead and subscribe and become a part of Get Healthy Now Mastery. Come on over and join us. Yes. Over here, we are about making healthy changes in our lives, bringing our health back to its, our bodies back to its original state of health, because God created the bodies to heal itself. However, we got to put the right nutrition and minerals and vitamins and enzymes into the body in order for the body to do its work. Y'all, your body is a powerful machine. It's a powerful machine. I promise you. Yes, it is. And I'm excited to know that the body is a powerful machine. Absolutely. So just know that, okay? And let me say this on this note is that I am not a doctor. You guys, I don't work in the medical field. I'm just here out on these YouTube streets, having myself some fun and sharing my journey with everyone. This is a global network. This is a global network because we are reaching people all over the world. Yes, we are. All over the world. I promise you. So yes, come on and join us. And a shout out to the newcomers that are here. Shout out to our channel members. I want to apologize to Becca Williams. I did not. When I shouted out the members the other day, I missed her name. But today, I'm not going to miss her name. But shout out to my channel members, Juice Masters. So glad to have you. Yes, welcome, Juice Masters. And so we're going to shout out to Becca Williams, Motivated to Soar. Yes, Angie's Faith. Yes. Gonna shout out to T Groove. We're gonna strain this. This has a little bit more pulp in it. Shout out to Dorothy Robinson. I think I need my little spatula. It's coming out slowly. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Whew. And that is really popping out there. Oh yeah. Y'all, and see how dry this is? This is dry. It's so dry, this stuff is popping up. Popping up out here. See how thick this is? That's why I needed to drain it, strain it. I may not get to strain it all though, because look at that. Oh my goodness. I may have to just do this pulp because it's taking so long to come out. Look at it. But it's thick, so I'll just do this. The other ones, I'll just, I guess that's done. That is done. See how much pulp in here? I know you can't see it. See that? Yes, that's thick. That's just real thick. I want to share this. I started with Hallelujah Acres and wait a minute, you guys. I'm sorry. I did something. I'm missing something. Hold on. I can't get sidetracked. Let me shout out to all the rest of my channel members. I don't want to forget them. Dorothy Robinson, Glenda Carruthers, Melanie Sanders, Albertia Holman, Cheryl McNeil, Purple Sky, Lala High Vibe Coach, Ernestine, I Cherish Church, and Queen's Alchemy. I am so glad to have you all, and I'm shouting out to each one of you today. Yes, I am. Oh my goodness, I already know this is a good juice. This is a good juice. And you know, I put that jalapeno pepper in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I already know it's good. I already know. Let me put a little bit in here. I already know that it is good. Yeah. So we got the 32 ounce mason jars today for this one. Yeah. And join me the next day because I'm going to do let's see. Just use this. I'm gonna juice a yellow watermelon. I'm gonna do a yellow watermelon juice. Yes, I am. I need to stick around so you can see that. So you can see it. Yes. Yes, yes, and yes. Okay. Y'all see this? This is what I got out of 5 pounds of carrots. And what did I tell y'all? 2 oranges and 1 grapefruit. Yep. So a quart and a little over 8 ounces. So let's cheers. Cheers, cheers. Here's to heart health. Here's to heart health. Yes. Oh my goodness. Y'all got to try it. And it's hot too. It is hot, but it is good. Oh my goodness. That is so good. That is so good. Cheers to you all. Cheers to myself. Heart health, heart health, heart health. Y'all, I've never drank all the juice out of my glass while I was on the video, but I think I'm gonna have to drink all of this. It's good. I feel the vibration. I feel it going down, you guys. The live enzymes, what I feel. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right. On that note, you all got to try this. You got to try it. I will put the recipe in the description, but you got to try it. And I want you to stay with me because I'm going to juice up yellow cantaloupe. And guess what? I'm going to put jalapeno in that yellow cantaloupe. Not cantaloupe, I'm sorry, yellow watermelon. And I'm going to put ginger in it as well. Yes, I am. Y'all better stay with me. Stay with me because this girl over here juicing up some juices. Again, thank you all so much. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Go ahead and send me a comment. I appreciate that. Absolutely. And share this information out to your family and friends. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers. And I'm asking you to help me to get those 5,000 subscribers as we continue to create a road to health and wealth in this world. A road to health and wealth in this world. Stand with me. Walk by faith and not by sight. Walk by faith with me and not by sight. Stand, join me, hand in hand. And let's do this thing together. Oh my goodness. I love you. And may God continue to bless you. And may you prosper in this day. Peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli.